Doria reveals that California court rejected Meg's financial demand for $80 million as Harry filed for divorce papers. Amid rift rumours between Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, the British press has reported the Duchess of Sussex has filed a financial demand to sign the divorce papers. Markle, citing the British press, reported that Archie and Lilibet's doting mother has filed a financial demand for $80 million in order to sign the papers. Meghan Markle is also demanding sole custody of the children, although they aren't her biological kids. She'll no doubt whisper poison in their ears and use the fake kids to get herself a nice fat allowance and to continue her petty war of vengeance, as this whole transatlantic quasi-royal feud will become transgenerational too. A source close to Doria reveals that Harry filed for divorce and Meghan is saying $80 million or I won't sign. Harry hasn't got that money, and the royal family are not obliged. Charles doesn't need to pay her to make her go away. She's self-destructing very nicely all on her own. She's known as a vindictive liar across all continents of the world now, so if you want total financial ruin, way to go. And without threats and blackmail, she isn't getting a penny. However, filing a financial demand to sign the divorce papers doesn't have anything to do with the legal process in California, which is where any divorce between Harry and Meghan would most likely take place. Meghan really doesn't understand US law. You can't file a financial demand in America or demand custody without filing for divorce, but Harry can just divorce her without paying. Her signature isn't needed. The source said that in California each spouse gets 50% of all assets acquired during the marriage, and 50% of all debt acquired during the marriage as well. Not sure about the custody issues though. Henry wrote a book and did interviews detailing his substance overuse. Demanding $80 million sounds like she's trying to extort has-been and his family. It's funny, she wants to be a feminist role model for girls when all she's done is marry up and divorce rich. The new claims came amid reports the royal couple's relationship is crumbling. Last week, speaking to Sky News Australia, award-winning journalist and royal biographer Angela Levin said, "I think that the marriage is very nearly finished." In April, psychic John Hughes had also claimed, "I'm going to predict now that they'll split within 18 months. The wedding didn't seem right. There was too much negativity surrounding it." Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's ambition to become a global humanitarian power couple appears to be on ice, a royal commentator claimed. Expert Alison Boshoff reflected on the reports regarding the couple's future work and noticed a gap in their respective plans. While Meghan Markle has signed a solo deal with Hollywood agent Ari Emanuel at WME, it was reported that Prince Harry is said to be gravitating back to charity and campaigning work. How long before Harry turns his back on the showbiz life, for which he's obviously ill-suited and seems entirely uncomfortable with, the commentator said. Elsewhere, royal expert Russell Myers said Prince Harry and Meghan may pursue separate careers in a bid to rehabilitate their brand after their explosive Oprah Winfrey interview, Netflix documentary and the end of their Spotify deal. Whereas in the past everyone wanted a piece of Harry and Meghan as a couple, there are signs they'll work on projects individually.